Want some money on 1xBet? Here's how to withdraw it. Before we continue, make sure to create your official 1xBet account using our exclusive promo code BUTV to receive an incredible 300% bonus on your first deposit. Here's how it works. Click to registration, choose one of the 4 available methods, for example by email, fill in with all your personal details, and here in the promo code section, click BUTV. Then click to register and make your first deposit, for example $100, and instantly receive a 300% bonus. That's an extra $300, making your total balance $400 to start betting with. Don't miss this opportunity to boost your game with one of the most trusted betting platforms in the world. Now let's back to the video. Go to menu, settings, withdraw from your account. Choose the same method you used for deposit. It's the fastest and safest. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. So for example, let's consider we have used Krill. Here you need to put the amount you want to withdraw, confirm the request, and wait for processing. Processing time can vary. E-wallets are often instant, while bank transfers can take a couple of days. An important note, make sure you've completed any wagering requirements before withdrawing bonus funds. And actually, that's it. Your winnings go straight to your bank or wallet. If this video was useful, put like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.